nto zakuthi ndiyathemba uba niyaphila. Bendifuna ukwenza le video, okay. Ikhona enye intombazana that was on TikTok. Ndimlibele igama lakhe, but anyways, she kind of like inspired this video and I commented nakwi-video yakhe. She was talking about obviously she's against illegal immigration apha eSouth Africa, but akafuna uthetha ngabanye abantu, like uya-understanda indlela kaJacinta because abanye abantu basebenzisa udlame abanye obhuti. So, and I was thinking, oh, okay, so nobuthetha ngobhuti Mchunu noPhakela Umthakathi, utata uPhakela Umthakathi. What I want to explain to you guys is akho mntu ungadingekiyo when it comes to standing up and holding the government accountable or fighting for this country. Because izandla zonke ziyadingeka, kodwa ke ayithethi ubana we're not going to go forward because other people don't want to be in the fight because bayoyika or they think they're above what we're doing, what's in. So I want to say that obhuti Phakela Umthakathi, I understand the method yakhe because abanye abantu they are in disagreement. Oh my God, it's violent, Western, let's just by homophobic and all that. I want to say that you must understand when we are dealing with the illegal immigrants, we're not dealing with one type of people. We are dealing with different spirits. We are dealing with different structures, societal structures. Aba bantu bakhuliswe ngendlela ezahlukeneyo. Ngendithi. It's like at home, when your parents, if you have siblings at home, you will know that you guys are not disciplined the same way. Okay? The parent just gives you a look and you know about what they want out of you and you go into it. Other parents, they will give their kids ban get up and do something. Ban will get up and do something. Abanye, if you say ban do something, anandaba yakho, une cheek, une moods, une attitude. So that's why you find some parents bayashoutisa komnye. Omnye, even if we have a shouter, they don't care, like they don't budge. Abo umntu xa ebethiwe, then xa eshayiwe athi, oh, okay, then they get up. Abanye, even if uyabashaya, they don't care. Bane-cheek ngobashayayo. So now you have to use this strategy. So you need to go and build your own house, get out of my own house, and practice whatever laws you think are appropriate because your attitude and your behavior is not going to work in my house. You understand? So there are those types of people. You understand? So as a parent, even as a teacher, you can't use the same disciplining method on every kid. It does not work like that. If knowledge, they will receive information through music, even though they have been taught at school through lectures, it didn't get through. They will receive it through a painting. So as fun. Usis Jacinta ndiyamva, no violence. She's absolutely right. Let's follow the law. No violence. Mawungashoya abantu, mawungaluthwa ishops, mawungabulawa abantu. Yes. But Usis Jacinta can only be able to get through to certain people. Not all illegal immigrants respect her voice. Not all illegal immigrants or immigrants, when she speaks, are like, we're going to do that. There are people who are very compliant who, when Usis Jacinta, no Phakela Umthakathi, when they said, Assistant Shaya, we're not going to do anything, we just want you to give some space. People just went at home. And now they're recording videos, bese Zimbabwe, bese Malawi, bese Ghana, like, oh, South Africa, we left. Those people did not receive violence. They did not receive ushoutis because baceliwe kakuhle. There are those people. And then you find that people even in the country who are still saying, Tina Asiyambi, we don't care. No matter how diplomatic you are, we are not going anywhere. And you must understand that these countries, especially in the west of Africa, they were doing slave trade. They were selling their people. So for them, they only understand violence. I'm not saying that we must be violent because they understand violence. I'm saying diplomacy, abayazi mntasi. Abayazi tu diplomacy. They don't care. In fact, for them, ingathi uwiki, ingathi uzakwenza ntoni nalo, all they have is words. So when we're talking about this Jacinta, ndiyayazi i-target audience yakhe. Yabona wena aba baza kumamela aba. IMalawi ingakumamela. Kukho abantu base Somalia that don't even care. You understand? So frustration, retaliation sometimes or harshness or abrasiveness, they are dealing with the ones that when you say, can you please go, they just give you an attitude. They are arrogant. In fact, they get physical. These guys, they get physical. Abanye. I've seen a woman from Rwanda. I think she was from Rwanda. She's a woman, but she was forceful. She was aggressive with the police woman. And if it was only that police woman, she was probably bezamthatha, but because there were many police women, that police woman was like, we need your documents so that we can verify if you are here, that official. She did not want, she was like, yes, sisi, one tinti mina sisi, yes, sisi, and ufuna uhamba, kodwa it's an authority. Umuntu womthetho phambi kwakhe. When she said, we don't want to use force. And then other officials started to want to support this official. That's when she listened. You must understand that we are dealing with characters ezinjalo. So abrasiveness, harshness, it is needed in spaces like that, because you can't expect Jacinta to go and be diplomatic nabantu abahijacke buildings. Men who are violent, men who are brutal towards women, you can't expect her to do that. And those spaces nabo zidinga ungenwa. You understand? So utata uPhakelo Mthakathi uyadingeka kwaba banechiki. Kwaba banechiki banodlame bakufuna apha enyameni uyadingeka. I'm not saying that he must risk his life. Well, he's already doing that. But I'm not saying that he must go and fight people. But even nakwi struggle after apartheid, no Mandela babesitsho babe diplomatic. But if we've exhausted, I'm paraphrasing what they were saying, if we exhausted every other method, we're going to use violence. Nomama uWinnie said the same thing. Zangaqala umama uWinnie using violence. Waqala wa diplomatic, but there are characters that are stubborn, that are arrogant, that don't hear diplomacy, that don't understand that. Because they come from countries where diplomacy is not practiced. They don't understand that. For them, that's rubbish, that's nonsense, that's weakness to them. They will behead their own people. They will wear bombs and bomb structures. They don't care. So for those people, abrasiveness iyafuneka, and not all of us, we have that. So ababanayo, let them exercise it, because utshintsho ndiyalibona mna ababalenzayo, utshintsho ndiyalibona. And I said, so don't take it personal. Don't take it personal. Jonga agenda, jonga intention yake. Intention yake is not to harm South Africans. Intention yake is to protect South Africans. If you're saying homophobes and whatever, we need to address those issues. But I don't feel like it's the time now, because we sikhupha illegal immigrants in the country. So into zobana, okay, we are afraid that abantu abathile bazobekwa ecaleni bazobathini. That needs us as a nation, but because ngoku we are so diluted, we can't even address the issues ezinjalo ngoku. If nathi xa sisonke, you can correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, so that's what I want to say, that we do need the energy. We do need the energy. We do need that energy, because Sis Jacinta, her way of handling the liberation of South Africans now is not the only way that's going to work. I appreciate her and I fully agree with her, but I also agree with Ophakelo Mthakathi in a way that for other people diplomacy doesn't work. So let's not we can criticize constructively, but masingababeki phansi, masingabathezi amandla, masingabakhuphi umoya. But if we are going to correct, then correct in love. Yabo, correct constructively. Yabo, it's not hate. Because if they were tribalist, bengasoze baye Eastern Cape, baye bantwini bethu, bengasoze baye eLimpopo, bengasoze baye with Sotho people, every state, ezinjalo. So yeah, let's stick together and understand that mission yethu i1, even though we have different approaches, and obviously we're going to have different approaches. So I love you guys, and yeah, let's stick together. Into yethu iyabonakala.